Today we're looking at part number 08K-EB-RSA. This is your 8,000 pound electric trailer brake assembly for the right hand side or the passenger side. It is 12 1/4 and it has 3 3/8 brake pad on it. Self-adjusting, has the 4-bolt mounting flange on it, which all the Dexter, Carter, and Lippert axles are going to have, even the Rockwell Americans. However, some of the Rockwell Americans have a different flange on there, so you have to be careful with that. And also the Rockwell Americans are 12-inch on a lot of them, so be careful about that. But this is going to be pretty much standard for all the other 8K brake assemblies. If you got a Dexter axle, you can replace it with the Carter brand. If you have a Lippert, you can replace it with the Carter brand. Or if you have a Carter brand, you can replace it with either of those. Comes fully assembled. A lot of people prefer to buy it like this nowadays because we have such great deals on them that there's no point in buying just the magnet or just the brake shoes and changing all that out, because time is money, guys. And this is going to be the fastest, quickest way for you to get the job done. Just unbolt these brake bolts right here, pull your old one off, throw it away. Put this one right on, connect the wires, put the bolts back in, and you're good to go. The Carter brand ones come with the backing plate, which is very nice because other brands do not. You have to buy them separate, so that's kind of strange to me, but ours is fully assembled, ready to go. You can get these at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687, or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching.